Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, day shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is Scene Part A, question number 1, 2, 3. I repeat, our today's topic is Scene Part A, question number 1, 2, 3. So, my dear students, look at both. What can you see here? You will see two pictures which I have taken from your English for Today book. Look at the first one. Here we see Shamima designs fabrics. She makes block print, brush print and hand embroidery sarees. In the second picture we see Shamima sells her product to the customers. Now we can guess that today our heroine is Shamima. So who is Shamima and what makes her extraordinary? If we want to get the answer of these two questions, we need to read the text. So all of you open your EFT book, page number 47. Shamima was born at a small village called Bhabanipur in Jhinaidah. It is a typical Bangladeshi village, but in this ordinary village there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. But Shamima's misery started the day when she was married. It was 1995. Shamima was 15 years old. She got promoted to class 8. Shamima had all the dreams of an adolescent. She wanted to see happiness in her family. She knew she could fulfill her dreams by completing her education and getting a good job. 15 years old, Shamima's dreams were nipped in the bud. Her father wanted to marry her off against her will. Shamima did not want to get married. All her tears and protests went in vain. Shamima was married off to Kamaluddin Jawardar, who was much older than her. Her husband was a greedy person and he used to abuse her verbally and physically. Within a few months into her marriage, she had to leave her husband Kamaluddin Jawardar. Leaving her husband, Shamima has set up a small boutique called Oikko Nari Kalyan Sangstha. She has 43 female members in her organization. She herself trains the members and then provides them with the work. She designs fabrics, makes block print, brush print and hand embroidered sarees. She also makes 3 pieces for women and fatwas for men. Shamima has a dream now, a dream to do something for the helpless people. Shamima finished her story with a smile. She wants to become a famous designer. So we have got the two answers. Now we can say that these two pictures represent Shamima's present situation. At present, Shamima is very happy now. Now we will go to our question patterns. At first, MCQ. Choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the students of the answers in your answer script. Number A, Shamima's misery started. Options: from childhood, after marriage, from the day of her marriage, from infancy. So can you guess what will be the correct one? Yes, answer will be from the day of her marriage. Number B, when did Shamima leave her husband? Options: within a few months, within few days, within few weeks, within few years. So correct answer will be within a few months. Correct answer is within a few months. Number C, how are the trainees trained? Options: by themselves, by herself, by Shamima, by them. What will be the correct answer? Yes, correct answer will be option number 3, by Shamima. D number, Shamima's aim is to, option: become rich, help the helpless, cheat the poor, do something for the rich. Yes, correct answer will be help the helpless. E number, MCQ, the word verbally means, option: by hands or legs, by words or mouth, by words, hands and mouth, by words or hands? Option will be 2, by words or mouth. F number, she wants to be a dash designer. Options, famous, poor, wealthy, rich. Yes, correct answer will be famous. Last MCQ, G number MCQ. How was her husband? Option, honest, greedy, dishonest, kind. Yes, great answer will be greedy. Now answer to the following question, question number 2. What is Shamima's present dream? Answer, Shamima's present dream is to do something for the helpless people so that they can live with self-respect and dignity. Number B, how long did her marriage last? Answer, her marriage last for a few months as her husband used to abuse her verbal and physically. Number C, where does she sell her products? Answer, she sells her products in the shop. She supplies them outside. D number question answer. Who trains the members of her organization? And this one is the last question answer. There are 43 female members in Shamima's organization. She herself trains the members. Now fill in the blanks. Read the following text and fill in the gaps with appropriate words to make it a meaningful one. So give your attention. Bhabanipur is a typical Bangladeshi village in Jhinaidah. In this village there lives an deaf woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Her willpower and deaf have made her different. She has seen the most cruel aspect of deaf, but the cruelty could not give her spirit. She has become a winner, gave all her odds of life. Now answer, give your attention. Bhabanipur is a typical Bangladeshi village in Jhinaidah. In this village there lives an extraordinary. Extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Her willpower and determination. Yes, I have written here determination have made her different. She has seen the cruel aspect of life. Answer will be life. But the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. Correct answer will be defeat. D-E-F-E-A-T, defeat. Defeat her spirit. She has become a winner, defying. Correct answer will be defying. D-E-F-Y-I-N-G. Defy. Now, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. Read the text again and again. Keep practicing at home. Eat a balanced diet. Take physical exercise regularly. See you again. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.